Starting with the new Human Rights Commission, I appreciate the clarifications provided by Mr. Brien on the reasons underlying the decision not to invest the Irish Human Rights and Equality Commission with an enforcement mandate that includes the Covenant as well as other international treaties. I find, however, the explanation provided not fully convincing, and I'll explain why. First, the fact that Ireland is a dualist country does not negate the need for inclusion of such language in the bill, in fact, requiring public bodies to comply in their policies with the Covenant and authorizing the Commission to monitor such compliance could serve as a form of incorporation by other means, as required under Article 2.2 of our Covenant, in ways which are somewhat similar to the way in which the ICCPR has been incorporated in a relatively soft manner in the 2003 bill. So dualism is not a reason why not to incorporate it. It's actually a reason why to incorporate the Covenant into domestic law. Second, the fact that the Covenant has not been incorporated does put the state in a tight spot with respect to the duty to provide effective remedies under Article 2.3 of our Covenant. And again, the exclusion of the Covenant from the mandate of the Commission does limit the ability of the state to provide through that channel effective remedies, at least for certain violations of our Covenant. Other dualist countries that have not incorporated the countries did find it proper to introduce within the mandates of their Human Rights Commission such a possibility. Take Australia, for example. And finally, I do not see the strength of the argument that the dualist nature of the country would bar the Commission from investigating or inquiring situations of alleged violation of non-incorporated human rights, or to develop codes of practice as Part 3 authorizes it, in the same way that it may provide amicus curiae briefs involving the Covenant in other parts. So I appreciate that non-incorporation may limit the possibility of providing legal redress within Irish law at the present moment in time, but I don't see why it should serve as a bar against allowing the Commission to fully function in ways which involve non-remedial powers in this sphere. So I would appreciate the continuation of the engagement on this point.